According to Diana, Red Smoothie Detox Factor beats bloat while helping to flatten the stomach. This liquid meal is sure to get people revved up and prepared to face the day. It is loaded with nutriments that will have a detoxifying effect on a person's body and help people lead off fat-burning hormones that are often stamped down due to their diets. Click the link in the description below this video for details. To cleanse the body, people need to feed it with detox drinks that help it purge itself, while at the same time provide it with the components of concoction and nutrients it needs to function at its best. A newly launched health product named Red Smoothie Detox Factor is bursting with good health. It is a pleasant tasting way to detox and one of the best red detox drinks to add to a person's daily routine. According to Liz, this detox smoothie can be a person's friend when it comes to detoxing because of all the nutriments and ingredients it contains. It consists of all the nutrients a person's body needs to make up itself and to help coup harmful toxoids from its system. This smoothie is associated with health benefits ranging from cancer prevention to burning excess body fat, to anti-inflammatory properties. Liz Swan recommends people to begin their day with this liquid meal, which will help them supercharge their immune system, beat bloat while helping to flatten their stomach, stabilize their blood sugar and elevate their body's fat-burning powers. Red Smoothie Detox Factor increases a person's metabolic rate and stamps out appetite. Liz educates people about how eating well is important for all of them. It not only helps them to feel good about themselves but also make them look their best and hang out around a healthy weight. This smoothie prevents people's risk of heart diseases, cancer and other maladies. This drink comes with effective ingredients that people can consume if they want to drop off stubborn fat and fight against free radicals. It also helps get rid of harmful toxicants which help people neutralize the consequences of free radicals. Red Smoothie Detox Factor is one liquid meal which helps people cast off weight faster, without starvation. Unlike those liquid meals that leave people starving, this drink does the trick without deprivation. It is loaded with metabolism-boosting properties that keep people feeling full longer. Moreover, this drink helps throw out all the negative effects on a person's body from the additives in their foods, secondary smoke and pollutants. This smoothie mainly helps drive out toxoids and cleanses the colon, as it is the organs involved in the detoxification of chemicals and harmful toxicants from the body. Click the link in the description below this video for details.